Yesterday we have discussed a few objective type questions from the chapter partial fractions, and let us continue. Number of partial fractions of x cube plus x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1. So this is again a proper fraction which in which degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So now x power 4 plus x square plus 1, this is a biquadratic factor. So x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is written as x square minus x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. So for x square minus x plus 1, this is irreducible quadratic factor, non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor type 3. So ax plus by. So for this, x power 4 plus, this is x cube plus x square plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equals to, this is ax plus b by x square minus x plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus x plus 1, because type 2 says for every non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor, if x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equals to ax plus b by x square plus x plus 1, cx plus b by x square minus x plus 1, then a plus c is equals to. So this is being asked there. So x square plus 1 is equals to ax plus b into x square minus x plus 1 plus cx plus d into x square plus x plus 1. So the denominator on both the sides gets cancelled. I have taken LCM. Now comparing the coefficients of x square on both sides. So here b into x square quotient is b. Here d into x square dx square, x square quotient is d, is equals to, here x square quotient is 1. So b plus d is equals to 1. And now comparing coefficient of x cube on both sides, will get ax into x square ax cube quotient is a, plus cx into x square x cube quotient is c, is equals to, there is no x cube term here, so its quotient is 0. So we got a plus c is equals to 0. From this, b plus d minus 1 is equals to 0. So that means a plus c is equals to b plus d minus 1. So the option number 2. X power 4 plus 24 x square plus 28 by x square plus 1 whole cube. So the denominator contains repeated irreducible quadratic factor. So it is supposed to be ax plus b by x square plus 1, cx plus d by x square plus 1 whole square, ex plus f by x square plus 1 whole cube. But the shortcut is, let x square plus 1 is equals to y. So this is x square minus x square is equals to y minus 1. So substitute x square whole square, this is y minus 1 whole square plus 24 into x square is y minus 1 plus 28 by x square plus 1 is y cube. So this is equals to y square plus 1 minus 2y plus 24y minus 24 plus 28 by y cube. So this is y square 24y minus 2y is plus 22y This is 28 minus 24 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 by y cube. So this is y square by y cube, which is 1 by y. This is 22 by y square plus 5 by y cube. Replace y with x square plus 1. So this is 1 by x square plus 1 plus 22 by x square plus 1 whole square plus 5 by x square plus 1 whole cube. So the option number 1, x power 4 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equals to, this is given and value of k. So this is a improper fraction with the degree of f of x is 4 and degree of denominator is 2. So improper fraction, first we need to convert it into a proper fraction by dividing this x power 4 with the help of the denominator. So x minus 1 into x minus 2 is x square minus 3x plus 2 with x power 4. X power 4 by x square is x square. So x square into x square, x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square by, so this is minus plus minus subtraction 3x cube minus 2x square. So further division is possible because the degree of remainder should be less than that of the degree of divisor. So 3x cube by x square, so plus 3x. 3x into x square, 3x cube, plus into minus minus, 3 3s are 9x square, plus into plus plus, 3 2s are 6x. So minus plus minus cancel, 9 minus 2 is 7x square minus 6x. So compare the degree of remainder and the degree of divisor. So same. So further division is possible. 7x square by x square is plus 7. So 7x square. So 7 3s are 21x. 7 2s are 14. This is minus plus minus. So 21 minus 6 is 15x minus 14 equals to x power 4 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equals to, so q plus r by d. So the quotient is x square plus 3x plus 7 plus 15x minus 14 by, so x square minus 3x plus 2, that is x minus 1 into x minus 2. This is a proper fraction, therefore partial fraction can be applied. So that is going to be this, and if you check these two, in the place of k we will find 7. Therefore option number 4, x cube by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c is equals to this, then the value of k. So this is again an improper fraction with the degree of f of x is equals to degree of g of x. A, the constant we will be getting by the quotient of the coefficient of the highest degree term in the numerator by the coefficient of the highest degree term in the denominator. So here x cube quotient is 1, here x into x into x cube, so x cube quotient is 1, 1 by 1 is 1, so k is equals to 1. X cube by x square minus x plus 2, again the degree of f of x is 3 and degree of g of x is 2, so this is an improper fraction. We need to divide x cube with the help of x square minus x plus 2. So x square minus x plus 2, x cube, so x cube by x square, x times, so x into x square, x cube, x into minus x square, x into 2x is 2x, so minus plus minus, so x square minus 2x. So further division is possible. X square by x square is 1 plus 1, so 1 into x square minus 1 into minus x plus 1 2s are 2, so minus plus minus cancel, so minus x minus 2. So this is equals to x cube by x square minus x plus 2 is equals to x plus 1 plus this. So take minus in common, then x plus 2 by the remainder, which is x square minus x plus 2. So if you compare these two, so in the place of k we will find 1. So option number 3. If a minus 1 is a factor of a power 5 minus a power 4 minus 4a cube plus 4a square plus 4a plus k, then k is equals to. So if a minus 1 is a factor, a is equals to 1 is a root, and root has to satisfy the equation. That means a minus 1 is a factor that is given already, then a is equals to 1. When we substitute, the remainder will be 0. So given that f of a is equals to a power 5 minus a power 4 minus 4a cube plus 4a square plus 4a plus k. Since a minus 1 is a factor, a minus 1 equals to 0, a equals to 1. So f of 1 should be 0. Since it is a factor, remainder should be equals to 0. F of 1 is equals to 1 power 5 minus 1 power 4 minus 4 into 1 cube plus 4 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus k. So this implies f of 1 should be 0 is equals to 1 minus 1 minus 4 plus 4 plus 4 4k. So this is minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. So k plus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore k is equals to minus 4. So the bit number 3. If x square plus 5x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3, then a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus c by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Then we need to find out the value of b. 1, minus 5, 0, 10. This is the question given. So normally if we see, the denominator contains 3 non-repeated linear factors. So actually it is supposed to be a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 3. A by x plus 1, b by x plus 2, x plus 1 should not be there, c by x plus 3, this should not be there. But the question is like this. So x square plus 5x plus 1 can be written as 6 minus 5 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. So this is equals to x square plus 5x plus 6, the factors for which is x plus 2 into x plus 3, x plus 2 into x plus 3 minus 5 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. So this is equals to, now divide x plus 2 into x plus 3 by this is 1 by x plus 1 minus 5 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. If you compare this, then this term is there, last term is there, this term is not there. So can I write it as 1 by x plus 1 plus 0 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus minus 5 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3, and if you compare these two, then in the place of b we see 0. So the option number 3. If x square by x square plus a square into x square plus b square, the denominator contains 2 non-repeated irreducible quadratic factors. So type 3. So it is k into a square by x square plus a square minus b square by x square plus b square. So it is already given. So this is equals to k into, if you find LCM and cancel the denominator on both the sides, then this is what we will be getting. A square into x square plus b square minus b square into x square plus a square. This is equals to x square. So this is k into a square x square plus a square b square minus b square x square minus b square a square. So these two gets cancelled. So k into, take x square in common, a square minus b square. This is equals to x square. So therefore the coefficient of x square is, x square quotient is 1 here, x square quotient is k into a square minus b square. Therefore the value of k is equals to 1 by a square minus b square, the option number 3. If x cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3, so this is the question given. So here this is an improper fraction with the degree of numerator and denominator is the same, power 3. Here also 2x into x into x, 2x cube power 3. So here the constant we will be getting by the quotient of the coefficient of the highest degree term in the numerator and denominator. Here x cube quotient is 1. Here 2x into x into x, 2x cube, x cube quotient is 2. So 1 by 2, the option is 1. The coefficient of x cube in 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x into 1 minus x is, the options are given. First of all, 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x into 1 minus x, the partial fraction for which is a by 2 plus x plus b by 1 minus x. So we have discussed how to solve, how to evaluate a and b. So to obtain the value of a, the denominator under a equated to 0. 2 plus x equals to 0, x equals to minus 2. That minus 2 you substitute in the LHS covering this 2 plus x. So put x is equals to minus 2. So a is equals to 5 into minus 2 minus 10 plus 6 minus 4 by 1 minus of minus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now to obtain the value of b, so equate that is under this b to 0. So under b 1 minus x is there, equated to 0. 1 minus x equals to 0, x equals to 1. So put x equals to 1. So to obtain the value of b, cover this 1 minus x in the LHS. So substitute 1 here. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 6 11 by 2 plus 1 3. So in this way we got the two values. Therefore 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x into 1 minus x is equals to, the value of a is minus 4 by 3 by 2 plus x into 2 plus x, plus the value of b is 11 by 3 by 1 minus x, 3 into 1 minus x. So this is minus 4 by 3 into this 2 plus x, take 2 in common, then 1 plus x by 2. So 2 times plus 11 by 3, this is 1 minus x. So this is equals to minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 into, this is 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 1 plus 11 by 3 1 minus x whole power minus 1. So this is minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus x whole power minus 1 is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and so on. So this is 1 minus x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square minus x by 2 whole cube plus and so on, plus 11 by 3 into, this is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on. So therefore coefficient of x cube is, so here x cube quotient is this, so minus 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 2 cube is 8 plus 11 by 3 into x cube quotient is 1. So minus into minus plus 2 by 3 8s are 24. So this is 4 times. So 1 by 3 4s are 12 plus 11 by 3. So the LCM is 12. So 12 by 12 1 plus 12 by 3 is 4. 4 11s are 44. 45 by 12. So 3 table 3 15s 3 4s. So 15 by 4. So the option number 2. For mod x less than 1 by 5, the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of this. So 1 by 1 minus 5x into 1 minus 4x, the partial fraction for which is a by 1 minus 5x plus b by 1 minus 4x. So this is equals to, put x is equals to 1 minus 5x equals to 0, 1 equals to 5x, 1 by 5 is equals to x, put x is equals to 1 by 5, then a is equals to 1 minus, so this you cover, 1 minus 4 into 1 by 5, 1 by 5 on the 5, 5 minus 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 1 by 5 is 5, a value is 5. Now put x is equals to 1 minus 4x is equals to 0, 1 is equals to 4x, x is equals to 1 by 4, then b is equals to 1 by, this you cover, 1 minus 5 into 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4. So this is 4 minus 5 is minus 1 by 4. So 1 by minus 1 by 4 is minus 4. So this. Now 1 by 1 minus 5x into 1 minus 4x is equals to, the value of a is 5 by 1 minus 5x minus 4 by 1 minus 4x. So 5 by, this is 1 minus 5x power minus 1, because we want this to be in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus 1 or 1 plus x whole power minus 1. So minus 4 into 1 minus 4x whole power minus 1. So 5 into, this is 1 plus 5x plus 5x whole square, 25x square plus 5x whole cube, 125x cube plus and so on. Minus 4 into, this is 1 plus 4x plus 4x whole square, 16x square plus 4x whole cube, 64x cube plus and so on. Therefore, the coefficient of x cube is, so 5 into 125, 625 minus, so 4 into 64 is 256. So 15 minus 6, 9. So this is 2 is 3, 369. So the bit number 1. The coefficient of x power 5 in x square plus 1 by x square plus 4 into x minus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 4 into x minus 2 is equals to ax plus b by x square plus 4 plus c by x minus 2. So ax plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x square plus 4 is equals to x square plus 1. So here comparing coefficient of x square on both sides, then 1 is equals to ax into x, ax square, so a plus cx square c. Now, so comparing constants on both sides, 1 is equals to b into minus 2 minus 2b plus c into 4 4c. Now substituting x is equals to 2, put x is equals to 2, we will get 2 square 4, 4 plus 1 5 is equals to, so this will be 0, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8c. So from this c is equals to 5 by 8. So from this a is equals to 1 minus c. So 1 minus 5 by 8. 8 ones are 8 minus 5, 3 by 8. So from this 2b is equals to 4c minus 1. So 4 into c is 5 by 8 minus 1. So this is 2 times. So 5 minus 2 by 2. So 3 by 2. So therefore b is equals to 2b is equals to 3 by 2. B is equals to 3 by 4. So therefore x square plus 1 by x square plus 4 into x minus 2 is equals to the value of a is 3 by 8 into x plus b value is 3 by 4 by x square plus 4 plus c value is 5 by 8 into x minus 2. So this is equals to, so 4, 8 LCM is 8 LCM. So 3x plus 2 3s are 6 into this is x square plus 4 plus 5 by 8 into x minus 2. So this is equals to, 3x plus 6 by, this is 8 into, take 4 in common, then 1 plus x square by 4, 1 plus x square by 4 plus 5 by 8 into x minus 2. So this is 5 by x minus 2. So this is, take minus 2 in common, then this is 1 plus x by 2. So minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, so 2 gets cancelled, minus x. So this is minus x by 2. So minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 gets cancelled, x. So this is 3x plus 6 by 32 into this is 1 plus x square by 4 whole power minus 1 plus into minus minus. So this is 5 by 16 into this is 1 minus x by 2 whole power minus 1. So this is 3x plus 6 by 32. This is 1 minus x square by 4 plus x square by 4 whole square, x power 4 by 16 minus x square by 4 whole cube. So by 64 plus so on minus 5 by 16 into this is 1 plus x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square, x square by 4, x by 2 whole cube, x by whole cube 8, and this is x power 4 by 16 plus x power 5 by 32 plus and so on. Now the coefficient of x power 5. So 3x when it is multiplied with this term, 3x into x power 4 is 3x power 5. So x power 5 quotient is 3 by 32 into 16 plus, so we don't get any x power with the 6 x power 5 quotient, we do not get anything, minus, because this is x power 6, x power 8, even powers we are getting. So now Here x power 5 quotient is here minus 5 by 16 into 1 by 32. X power 5 quotient is 5 by 16 into 32 with minus 5 by 16 into 32. Now the LCM is 16 into 32. So this is equals to 3 minus 5. So this is minus 2 by 16 into 32. So 2 eighths. So this is minus 256. So the option number 4. For mod x less than 1, the constant term is the expansion of this. So first of all, 1 by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 is equals to a by x minus 1. So the denominator contains repeated linear factor, non-repeated linear factor, type 1, type 2, plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 2. The LCM is a into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. So this is equals to 1. So put x is equals to 1 and substitute here. 1 is equals to b into 1 minus 2. So b into 1 minus 2. So b is equals to minus 1. Likewise, put x is equals to 1 if you substitute. Put x is equals to 1. So 1 is equals to this and this will be 0. b into 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So b is equals to minus 1. Put x is equals to 2 and substitute here. 1 is equals to this and this gets cancelled. c into 2 minus 1 whole square is 1. So from this c is equals to 1. And now comparing coefficients. Comparing coefficients of x square on both sides. So we don't have any quotient of x square here, 0. So this is a plus c. So from this a is equals to minus 1. Therefore 1 by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 is equals to, the value of a is minus 1 by x minus 1 plus b value is minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus c value is 1 by x minus 2. So this is minus 1 by minus 1 if you take common, then this is 1 minus x. Minus 1 minus into minus plus 1x. So this is 1 by 1 minus x whole square plus this is 1 by minus 2 into 1 minus x by 2. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 gets cancelled, x. So this is equals to, this gets cancelled, 1 minus x whole power minus 1. This is 1 minus x whole power minus 2. This is minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus x by 2 whole power minus 1. This is 1 plus x square and so on. This is minus of 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus and so on. This is minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square, x square by 4 plus and so on. So we want the constant term. So the constant term is 1 here, minus 1 here and minus 1 by 2 here. So 1 gets cancelled, minus 1 by 2, the bit number 4.